Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Frontier headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools: a new headlight bulb, a Phillips head screwdriver, and clean gloves. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. Wearing gloves is crucial. Oils from your skin can significantly shorten the new bulb's lifespan. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for your vehicle's lighting. Now, let's access the bulb. Begin by opening your Nissan Frontier's hood and identifying the rear of the headlight assembly. You will see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently press the small release tab on this connector and pull it straight off. Next, carefully remove the round rubber dust cover. This cover protects the bulb from moisture and dirt, so ensure you set it aside in a clean, safe place for reinstallation later. With the dust cover off, you'll see the bulb secured by either a metal retaining spring or by twisting. If it's a spring, unclip it. If it twists, turn it counterclockwise about 1/4 turn. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Now, take your new bulb, still wearing gloves, and align its tabs with the slots in the housing. Push it in gently until it seats fully, then secure it with the spring or by twisting clockwise. Finally, let's reassemble and test. First, carefully replace the rubber dust cover, making sure it creates a tight seal to protect against moisture and debris. Next, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb. Push it firmly until you hear or feel a distinct click, indicating a secure connection. Lastly, turn on your Nissan Frontier's headlights to verify that the new bulb illuminates properly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.